Discover the Krooked X New Balance Numeric 600, a skate shoe that blends street art energy with classic NB craftsmanship. Wrapped in rich chocolate brown suede, this sneaker develops character over time, with its texture subtly shifting as you skate or move. The olive N logo gives a natural contrast, while a playful floral keychain and bold insole pattern highlight Krooked's iconic creative spirit. Its low-profile silhouette and ivory-toned sole bring a vintage feel without sacrificing grip or control, thanks to a functional outsole made for stability. Co-branded tongue labels and thoughtful stitching enhance the premium construction, balancing nostalgia with a fresh, modern edge. Inspired by the NB600's heritage and Krooked's 1990s skate aesthetic, this collaboration offers a meaningful blend of art, personality, and performance. Perfect for skaters and collectors, this model captures the free spirit of skate culture while delivering everyday comfort and style.